Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and today I bring you two spectacular smartphones from UMIDIG. It's the UMIDIG 1 and the Pro version. So they have many similarities between them and a few key differences, and I'm going to unbox the Pro right here to begin with. They're pretty much the same, I mean design-wise, the looks of it. This is the box. UMIDIG, they always have the same design for the boxes, very consistent. This is the UMIDIG Pro. Here's the look of it. There's a sticker. I'm going to remove it. It's a protective sticker. You don't really need it right now. So you can see the gorgeous display right here, and we can start talking about some specs. There you go. It's a 5.86-inch HD display with a notch on top there, with a front camera on the notch. It's a 16 megapixel camera, same as in the regular model. This is the Pro, remember? And so it's a full display right here. It's 90% ratio body display, bezel-less all around, and this one comes with a protective case. I'm going to remove it. It's really cool, very nice texture. Just a second, another sticker here in the back. Let me remove it. There you go. This is the real piece of art here on the UMIDIG 1. It's the carbon fiber back. Like, look at that. It's really cool. It's like embedded inside the design, inside the body of the smartphone. So it looks really, really cool, like a, like a racing car material, that kind of stuff. It makes it lighter as well. The body metal all around, like shiny metal all around with some curvature. Really cool. So it's a very distinctive design. And here in the side, if you look, there's a fingerprint scanner to unlock, but it's actually also a button, so you can click it. It will click and it will turn on the screen like this. You can either use your fingerprint scanner or just click it. I just did right now, and the display will turn itself on. Anyway, but enough for that. I was unboxing the box. So still about the box here, there's an envelope. Type-C, it's right here, so you need that to charge your device and to transfer files between your phone and your computer. So that's for the Pro right here. I'm going to unbox really quickly the regular model, which is just called UMIDIG. I'm going to remove it, and there you go. Exactly the same as the Pro model right here. So no differences at all. Just to talk now about the specs, the differences between both models. So this is the UMIDIG 1 Pro, and as I mentioned before, the display is a 5.86-inch HD display with a notch on top. There's cameras. There's a front camera, 16 megapixels, dual camera in the back. It's a 5 plus 12 megapixel plus a flash LED light right there. And remember, there's no fingerprint scanner in the back because it's on the side. It's right here. It's also the power button, so it's really, really cool. And there's the sound volume here, up and down, of course. Still, specs inside: 4 gigabytes of RAM. That's the same in both devices. The CPU is a MediaTek Helio P23. That's an octa-core CPU, clocking at 2 gigahertz per core. The battery, and now the difference starts to arise between both. So for the Pro version, the battery is a 3250 milliamp, and for the regular model, the battery is actually bigger. It's 3550 milliamps inside. So that's the difference. Now you might be wondering why the Pro has a smaller battery. Well, you have to make your own decision about which the pros and cons between the models and decide what's best. But the Pro has 64 gigs of storage, while the regular model only has 32 gigs. Now, don't worry, even if you get the regular model, you can still expand it with a micro SD card up to 128 gigs. You can expand the memory on both models. Finally, but super important as well, the OS, the operative system, it's Android 8.1. That's the Oreo version, and it's a stock version. It's a clean version of Android in both models, so that's really cool, and that's really all you need to know. So, differences between the two models: it's the battery. One has 3250 milliamps, that's the Pro version. The regular version has a bigger battery, 3550 milliamps actually, but the Pro model has 64 gigs of storage, while the regular has only 32 gigs. And that's pretty much it. If you want to make a better decision, if you want to think about it, check the links below. There's all the specs, all the details for both models. Like and subscribe, and check GearBest. There's plenty more smartphones from UMI-DG. This is the UMI-DG 1, and it really looks spectacular with this carbon fiber you know, back right here texture. If you're a petrol head, this is right up your alley, so you know, fire up the pistons and try it out. Thank you.